Hey, good afternoon, my friends. For those who have not watched any of my videos or come to any of my buyer seminars, workshops, let me introduce myself. My name is Bob Stone. I'm a full-time licensed real estate agent, licensed in Maryland, Pennsylvania, and my brokerage is Samson Properties, and we're located in Middle River, Maryland, 6211 Greenlee Avenue, Suite 100, and Middle River, Maryland, 21220. I've been in the industry for more than 30 years, and I'm here to help you with your home buying process. Before we start, though, I do want to remind everyone that we're having a first-time buyer seminar, and we'll be covering the FHLB program, which is a grant for up to $12,500. Who needs $12,500 to help with their closing costs? I know I'd like to see that. Okay, seating is limited, and so please reach out to us today. Either call us, text us, or you can message us on Facebook. We're looking forward to seeing everyone there. The reason for me reaching out today is to explain the market as best as I can, where we are today and where we see the market going. I've been in the industry for more than 30 years, and I've seen interest rates much higher than what they are today. One of the common things I'm hearing from the buyers, from people out there today, is they're like, Bob, I'd like to move to, I want to buy a house, but interest rates are high. They're 6%, they're 7%. They hit 7 for a little bit, but they're a little bit lower now. The Feds did raise their rates, and it is what it is with the interest rates. What happens when their rates go down? The prices go higher. Right now we're still seeing a shortage of good inventory of homes out there. So there's not a lot to choose from. It is getting better. There's a lot of listings came on the market in January. November, December listing period is always slow because of the holidays. So we seen a big increase there. Good houses are being jumped up and they're going really quick. But the interest rates. Let me just back up a minute and go over the interest rates where we've been in the past. Going back, 1984, 30-year interest rate was 13.88%. 85, 12.43%. 86, 10.19%. 87, 10.21%. During this time, no one in the industry ever believed that it will be less than 10%. No one did. And we did. The average 30-year interest rate went from January 1st, 1980 to 2020, pandemic time. They were average 7.75%. The average rate during 2020 to 2023, 5.41%. Today's rates are about 6%, 6.25%. Everything, different programs have different interest rates. Credit scores affect your interest rates. I'm not the lender. I'm not, I don't follow the interest rates, minimum by moment. We have people that do that, and they'll help you with that. But let's say the interest rate today is 6.25%. That's a lot better than has been in the past. Not as good as it has been in earlier, but when the interest rates were 2-3%, you're in line but to buy a house, and you're paying, in many cases, you're paying well above the asking price on the home. Today, you do got a little bit more negotiating power. The inventory is there. We can get you in a great house, But you're thinking to yourself, well, how are people buying homes when interest rates were 12, 13%, 10%? The truth of it being is they were using variable rate financings, ARM, ARM. This is not a four-letter word. It's okay to say it. I got a 1-year ARM. I got a 5-year ARM. I got a 7-year ARM. I got a 10-year ARM. This is a tool that can save you money every day, every month. Thousands and thousands of dollars. Using a very quick example, the average sales price in Baltimore and Harford County is about $340,000. If you take the multi-million-dollar homes and the one-bedroom condos, the average comes out to about $340,000. Purchasing a home with a conventional fixed-rate mortgage of 6.25% today, 5% down payment, your principal and interest is going to be approximately $1988. Taking the same home, same sales price, taking a 5-1 ARM, interest rates 4.25%. Principal and interest, not talking about taxes and insurance on either one of the scenarios, $1,588. Savings of $400 per month, $4,800 per year. Over 5 years, $24,000. You could buy a small car for that. You're not going to buy an EV, but you can buy a small car for that. Just think that. What would you do if you had $24,000? Huge savings for you. These variable rate mortgages do not have negative amortization. This means that you will not owe more than you borrowed. Okay, the principal goes down just like with a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. You make your payments one time, they're going to be going down every month. You'll be paying off the house that's fixed on a 30-year financing, a 30-year term. It does mean that you have a lot of opportunities out there, save a lot of money. And the mortgages that had negative amortization, they're long gone. They're illegal in many cases. They are not being utilized in residential financing. You don't have to worry about that, but our loan officers will explain that to you. Think about it. Over the next 5 years, where are you going to be? You may change jobs, you may be transferred, your family may increase, your family may decrease. You may want to move closer to school, work, your faith's synagogue, church, temple. During this time, you may need to pull some equity out for education, for your personal education or for your children's, if you have children. Home improvements. You may want to finish the basement. You may want to add a sunroom. You may want to put an in-ground pool. You're building equity by owning a home. If you're buying today, you're going to be able to purchase that home today and lock in that price. Remember the old saying, you date rates, you marry mortgages, which means you're locking in that home purchase price. You're building equity. The rates, you lock it in for a year, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years. But the market changes, you refinance. Our lenders will help you with the refinance if that's what you want. They'll help you with that, and they'll help you at no cost. Okay. As I mentioned, I've been in this industry for a long time, many years, over 30 years. The advantage of having the longevity in the industry is you build your personal knowledge, and you also surround yourself with true professionals. The true professionals that I surround myself are the mortgage people, the title companies, other real estate agents that are top in the industry that we share ideas on the marketing of the home. How do we find our clients the best home? Hey, Bob. Hey, Tom. I got a home for sale that's coming up here, and it's going to be coming on the market, February 28th. Just to give you a heads up. That home fits your needs. I can lock that house in and get you in there and see it before it goes on the market. Not before it goes on the market. Before be one of the first people to get out there. So with home inspectors. Our home inspectors are top of the industry. We make sure that we don't just grab somebody out of the phone book. We have somebody that has the certifications and we had used in the past and have the good reviews, and they make sure that everybody that we're dealing with is protecting you. Our title company is one of the best in the industry. They're doing your title searches and guaranteeing your title, making sure that when you purchase that house, you're not going to have any clouds on your title. Again, my name is Bob Stone. I'm a full-time licensed real estate agent, licensed in Maryland and Pennsylvania, and on Samson Properties. And I look forward to seeing you at our seminar, February the 18th at 10:30 to 12:30. And just give us a call, 443-617-4741, or you can Facebook message me or Instagram. We're here for you, and we look forward to seeing you and helping you with your real estate transactions. You have a blessed day, and we'll talk to you soon.